Now, I told y'all I was going to get my hands on some Labubus. Not only did we get some Labubus, but we got a whole case of Labubus. Let's get into it. Have a seat, Labubus. 6 of them. Let's get to opening. We have Cece. Okay, this one is, let me see, it's a Baba. Oh, this ZZ. Oh, this one is cute. Hee hee. Oh, Dada. I get a secret. I did get a whole box, which is 6 of them, but I did not get the secret, but oh well. This one is the macaroon one. Just so that is all of the ones that I got today. I have like 3 or 4 more coming, and so you guys will see me again to unbox those when they come in.